Welcome back to Avaya's Partner Summit here. Avaya Engage. I have with me Yaser and Ahmad. Welcome to the show. Thanks for joining me. How are we both today?
Thanks for having us. Thank you.
Good. Well, first and foremost, let's do a few introductions. Tell our audience who you are and what your function is within Avaya. Yaser.
So I'm Yaser Alzubaidi. I lead the sales specialist organization Avaya International, which is anything outside the Americas, EMEA and APAC.
Ahmad.
I am Ahmad Dorra. I lead the customer experience in the Middle East, Africa, Turkey. So anything related to the when it comes to the customer experience solutions. So I'll be leading this with the team.
Excellent. So we're here at Avaya Engage at the Atlantis on the Palm, an amazing venue. First of all, Yaser, give us a bit of an overview of the event. What can we expect from Avaya this week?
So the main theme of the event is delivering and mastering the art of experience. And when we think of experience and we relate it to art, we do this because we think experience is like unique, like art. In art, every piece is unique, and experiences also, they need to be unique to deliver the value to customers. So in this week, everything you see is around the customer experience, the employee experience, and what Avaya and our ecosystem do and play in this domain. So today we have the Partner Summit, tomorrow we have the Customer and Partner Summit, and on Thursday we have a CX Summit that we are doing with one of our key customers, Dubai Police.
Excellent. So we've got lots of customer initiatives happening over at Avaya at the moment. Ahmed, do you want to tell us a little bit about those, what's going on and how they tie into Avaya's proposition?
Yeah, 100%. So as we said, it's all about like the art of experience, and what we do always, like, we listen to our customers and understand their challenges, and we help together, adding the human touch to build this art. And this is why we are bringing today more innovation solution to our customers that they can utilize and enhance the productivity and efficiency of the agents and business analytics team, in which like it will for sure impact positively on the overall customer experience. So if we look about the new launches that we had recently, it all start talk about like how we can make the relation between the agent and the back office team like more seamless, in order to provide like first call resolution, fast responses to the customers when they are discussing. And this is what we call it like IX team space. We look about how we can empower the agent and give the right information and the right time, guide them during the interaction in order to provide the best of the best while interacting with the customer. And this is what we launched new as an agent scripting. And then we look about, when we talk about the analytics and like the different angle view of the customer experience, how we can help like analytics team have like a single view on the overall customer journey and what's going on within this operation, so to help them like take a faster decision on how they can keep improving the business. So this is exactly what we are doing today and what we are launching.
So there's obviously a lot of investment going on from Avaya's side. Yaser, tell us about that. How's that tying into Avaya's proposition?
So if we talk about Avaya's strategy, as I said in my session today, we have at Avaya a crystal clear strategy about what. So we invest in three areas. We invest in the core, we invest in expanding our ecosystem, and we invest in transforming everything we have into the cloud. So in the CX side, as Ahmed said, there are four key pillars for investment in the CX. One, the agent desktop, because this is where the employees, the front line, the back office spend all their time. So we are expanding and improving the employee experience. We are investing in AI and automation. So all the solutions that you infuse in the customer journey, being the touch point, the agent desktop, or the back office. We are investing in analytics, providing our customers a way to understand, to listen to their customers, to their employees, what we call the voice of customer. And of course, improving and introducing digital capabilities, because today our customers, they live in a changing world. So they want to cope with the changes around them, and they will need and they expect from Avaya to innovate and provide them with capabilities. For example, today every customer we speak to, they want digital capabilities. They want to integrate WhatsApp channels like WhatsApp with the call center. They want to introduce social media. They want to integrate, for example, translation and transcription in the heart of their agent desktop application. So they make it easy for their employee to interact with their customers and colleagues.
Yeah, I wanted to pick up on that digital agents. I mean, that's a big area at the moment. Ahmed, I mean, what does the digital agent mean to you? How is that helping delivering this customer experience?
When we say digital agent, the human touch is still there. It's not like, but when we say digital agent, it's all about how we can simplify their workload to the agent. Like same exactly what I just said like before. It's all about how we can push the relevant information to guide them do their work in a much better way. How you can enable them, for example, it can be with a robotic with them to guide and assist them to speed up the interaction with the customers and they bring much better value. Because this is like an imperative today, we need to live it. When we are saying AI, how AI like will take all these simple tasks and we are expecting more complex tasks to be landing on the agent desk. So in order to keep them more effective and more powerful, we need to leverage this digitization within their agent desktop experience and leverage this technology to help them move in a better way.
So we're here at Avaya Engage. You've got lots of your customers and partners here in the room. You know, tell the viewers at home, you know, what does this event really mean for your customers?
So this is an annual event. So a customer will be able to not only interact with the Avaya team, they will be able to visit the expo area. So we have more than maybe 20 stations, 20 pods in the demo area where they can experience live presentations of everything we talk about in this event. We have more than 20 ecosystem partners across all our portfolio segments that they can also talk to them, understand what's happening in the market.
Sure. And this is an ecosystem which every time I speak to Avaya seems to be growing and growing and growing. New partners, new technology all the time, which is brilliant. So I mean looking back on 2019 and perhaps forward to 2020, I mean what were the highlights for you in 2019 and what are you looking forward to next year?
So in 2019 we launched for example Ready Now, which is our Avaya One Cloud, private cloud hosted by Avaya. We launched many digital capabilities across our portfolio. Like you said, digital agents, so that was a key launch in 2019, and it's all related capabilities, like we say, team space. This is an innovation that we brought from the field, and it's unique in the market. It's that piece that connects the contact center to the back office and to the customer. So this is like, think about it as a three-party conference, customer, agent, back office, that ensure first contact resolution. In 2020, we are launching and introducing CCaaS in Azure. We did the launch earlier in JITIS, but the product will come to the market during the first half and second half of 2020. We'll continue to expand our Ready Now platforms into additional regions to the APAC. Today we are launching a new customer consumption offer, what we call IX subscription. Mm-hmm. So if our customer wants to deploy their solution on-prem, but they want to buy on OpEx and they want to pay OpEx, no problem. IX subscription will allow them to do that.
Excellent. And Ahmed, Mr. Customer Experience, as I'll call you. What's exciting for you coming up over the next year as it relates to customer experience and what might change in that space?
What we will continue, it's maybe from capability, we'll continue the enhancement on the AI, what we are seeing today, and how keep enhancing if it's come like on the voice, how we can enhance the understanding of the robot with the human and all this one. So you will see more about how we'll keep enhancing this accuracy in order to keep driving those self-service adoption to our customers. So the key I would see in 2020, it's about keep enhancing this digital experience, keep enhancing the AI with the more accuracy, with the more learning stages in order to get the adoption of the customer and the trust to start utilizing this technology. And this is, I would say, the key hype. If you if you listen to our customers, all of them, they are talking about how can I increase my self-service adoption rate? How can I increase my digitization adoption rate on this? I need my people to start, or customers, to start using digital, not to call my call center. They need to deflect them from the voice to the digital. And I believe this is where we need to focus more and more to keep enhancing this experience in order to increase the adoption.
On the digital. I like that. That's a great place to end. Thank you very much for joining me. Enjoy the rest of the event. I hope it goes well for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you for tuning in. You've been watching David Dungay at Avaya's Partner Summit here in Dubai. It's Avaya Engage. Use the hashtag Avaya Engage to keep up with all the action. Thanks for watching.